It's hot and muggy out and you've had just about enough of it. You finally decide it's time to get a window AC unit. So you start looking online only to realize that you have over a gazillion choices. Great. Now where do you go from here? Well, that's where we come in. You see, our mission is to present you with the best options possible and explain the why so you can make an informed decision. Hey, I'm Jim with techietechnews, and these are the best window AC units of 2025. Now, we reviewed everything from real-world capacities, functions, tech, smart app functionality, and even reliability. And don't worry, we've added links to all of these products in the video description box below. So with all that said, let's begin the review. LG Smart Air, best heavy-duty AC unit. This version of LG's dual inverter air conditioner offers a lot of options for different sized areas. Now, the biggest difference over the previous version is its higher SEER rating, meaning it is slightly more energy efficient. LG's dual inverter tech means there are 2 compressors and 2 chambers inside, where a single inverter AC would have a compressor that just simply turns on and off. The dual system lets the compressor adjust speed based on the temperature of the room. Now that makes it overall quieter, faster, and more energy efficient. It cools a room quickly and it's pretty quiet at that. Now, we don't recommend using the energy saving mode though, as it will start and stop during the night, which has woken up quite a few reviewers. The best overall suggestion is just to simply lower the fan speed. Now, you could use LG's ThinkQ app to turn the AC off and on remotely. You can change the fan speed and the temperature, or even set a schedule. It can also connect to Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant too, which is a nice feature. Pros and cons. It's light in weight, making it easy for installation, plus we like the washable filter. However, the energy saving mode can interrupt your sleep if not adjusted right. Final thoughts. Now, there are better options in the 10K BTU capacities and under, which we'll discuss later in the review, but LG has really knocked it out of the park here. Reliability is also one of the key features here, as many testers and reviewers have stated their years of use without issue with this unit. And in the future, if you need to find more tech deals, simply visit techietechdeals.com. HighSense 10,000 BTU, best performance per dollar AC unit. We award this HighSense window air conditioner high marks for its reasonable price, fast cooling action, and voice controls, although we're not too fond of the fact that it doesn't support HomeKit or IFTTT. It's fairly easy to install, does a great job of cooling off rooms up to 450 square feet, and it can also tell you how much power it's using. Scheduling and voice control features are convenient as well, but it doesn't offer third-party integration support, or technology like whisper quiet cooling or a split housing design. However, this unit does use dual inverter pumps, so noise levels are minimized and the performance is quite good. We must say it does feel like an overall high-end unit, and at a fantastic price point. And it also has a dehumidifier for those hot and humid days. Pros and cons. We like that it uses newer inverter technology, that it's relatively quiet and has smart app functionality with voice controls, and not to mention that price. However, though, we do wish that the app had more support. Final thoughts. If you're looking to get all the little extras but for a reasonable price, then the HighSense is definitely your go-to. You're definitely getting the best value here, considering all the options that you're getting. Now, we're not that sure about long-term reliability, as our search results didn't really show much in that regards. But the ratings do speak for themselves, and folks have not been complaining. GE Profile 10K BTU, best low-profile AC unit. Window air conditioners provide an affordable alternative to central systems, but they tend to be loud and block a lot of your view to the outside. Now, the GE Profile Smart Air Conditioner solves both of these issues thanks to its split housing design. The bulk of the unit sits below your window line and all the noisiest components remain outside. This AC unit is around 10,300 BTUs of air conditioning, and it works for rooms with sizes up to 450 square feet. Now, it has 4 operational modes: cool, eco, quiet, and fan only, and 4 fan speeds as well: auto, high, medium, and low. The fans run consistently at a fixed speed in cool mode and cycles on and off in eco mode. Now the fans will run slower in quiet mode, but will take a lot longer to cool down a room. It has a built-in 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi for connecting to your home network and Bluetooth for pairing to your mobile app. Pros and cons. We like that it cools exceptionally fast, that it is quiet, and we love its smart functionality. But you are going to pay for this luxury. It is expensive. Final thoughts. GE's low-profile window air conditioner packs a ton of smart features, including app and voice controls, third-party integrations, built-in Wi-Fi, and even location-based settings. It does a fantastic job of cooling, running near silently as well in quiet mode, and can even tell you how much energy it uses. Overall, it's a fantastic unit. Windmill Smart AC. Best smart AC unit. Some window AC units are an eyesore, but this design from Windmill is sleek and unassuming, all while working rather efficiently to cool down your home. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't come with a built-in humidifier like some of the other models in this review, but there is a cool fan in eco mode. Plus, it is considerably more quiet. Some of the reviewers could barely tell that the unit was on because it was so quiet, and it comes with a display that automatically dims. The high fan speed is enough to cool down your room in evenings during the summer. Reviewers were quick to point out that during a summer day at around 89 degrees Fahrenheit, this unit worked without a hitch. Now, this AC unit is controlled using an intuitive app that gives you full access to all the settings, plus alerts you when it's time to change the filter. Pros and cons. We really like that auto-dimming display, its smart functionality via its smart app, and its really useful 3 cooling modes. But we do wish that it had a built-in dehumidifier. Final thoughts. If you live in a humid area, we would obviously advise against this unit. But for those who have invested in keeping their living space tidy and beautiful, or modern, and really would like to enjoy the use of smart home tech, this is definitely the unit for you. Frigid Air 12,000 BTU. Best value AC unit. Maybe you only have a bedroom that needs cooling down without the hefty expense. This Frigid Air window air conditioner has that room covered, and at a reasonable cost. This is a low-effort, high-efficiency AC designed to get spaces down to a comfortable temperature, and with a reasonable price tag. The unit has 3 fan speeds plus an eco mode, and it has a digital control panel that can be accessed manually or via remote. While it does offer a 24-hour timer, it doesn't have smart functionality to pair with your phone or other smart devices. So if you want to schedule an overall output, you would need to run this model through some sort of third-party appliance timer. Otherwise, maintenance is easy thanks to its washable filter. However, if you are sensitive to noise, you may want to look for a different model, because this one is a little bit louder than most. Pros and cons. We like that it's lightweight, making it easier to install, plus we like the washable filter. However, this unit can be a little louder than some other AC units. Final thoughts. Overall, this is just a no-frills simplified AC unit, designed to be functional while economically minded. And while we love the added benefits of having Wi-Fi connectivity or some sort of full control system over your phone, you cannot argue with the savings here, which is something that some of you would prefer. Arctic Star Best Overall AC Unit. Similar to the Frigid Air Gallery, the U-shape of this AC from Arctic Star helps to isolate the compressor away from the indoor space. Now, this makes the design more mechanically complex, and specific hardware like a mounting bracket is needed for the install, but it does make it one of the quietest air conditioners that we've reviewed. The low noise is helped by the fact that the unit is an inverter compressor air conditioner. The compressor speed changes to match the demand, rather than being an analog just turn on or shut off. What's more is the Arctic Star AC has an auto temp setting to help you keep your room adjusted without having to mess around with fan speeds. Between that and its excellent thermal efficiency, this window air conditioner brings indoor temps down in a jiffy. Well, at least according to reviewers. But what has us stunned is its price versus performance, as the cost of this unit is pretty relatively cheap, yet it's super quiet and works really well. Plus, the hardware installation is perfect for any window that you run it into. Pros and cons. It's a fantastic unit, providing exceptional cooling and dehumidifying quality. It's also energy efficient and ridiculously quiet. However, it doesn't have Wi-Fi capability, making you having to rely on a remote or the device itself for control. Final thoughts. So, if you can forgive the lack of connectivity, which is not the end of the world for most of us, then you could still retain the benefits of having a U-shaped AC unit to get more window real estate and that noise reduction. Plus, the cost savings here are absolutely awesome. And overall, this is definitely our pick for 2025. Folks, thanks for watching, and please let us know if there's something that you would like to see us change with our videos. At techietechnews, it is our mission to help you with your buying decision process by giving you quality information and making the most of your time. If you have any questions at all, please post them in the comment section below and I will personally assist you. And also remember that Amazon has an excellent return policy to help you minimize the risk. And please let us know which window AC unit you would choose. Again, links to all of these products are posted in the video description box below. And guys, when you're done, you gotta check out the next video.